If you're seeing a Gmail phone verification error, don't panic. This is usually a temporary issue, and in many cases, it can be fixed without doing anything complicated. In today's video, I'm going to show you two simple ways to get past the Gmail phone verification problem and continue setting up your account. If this video helps you, please hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials. Alright, let's get into it. The first thing to do is wait 24 hours and try again. Sometimes Gmail temporarily blocks a phone number after too many verification attempts, and that block can clear on its own after a day. So if you've already tried verifying several times and it keeps failing, the best move is to stop trying for now and give it some time. After 24 hours have passed, come back and try the verification process again using the same phone number. In many cases, the number will be unblocked automatically and the verification code will go through normally. If that still does not work, the next option is to use a different phone number. If you have another mobile number that can receive SMS or calls, try using that instead. This is often the fastest solution when your main number has been flagged or temporarily restricted. Enter the new number carefully, request the code again, and complete the verification with the alternate phone number. Just make sure the number is active and able to receive messages, because an inactive or unsupported number can cause the same error again. So to recap, first wait 24 hours and try again, and if that doesn't work, use a different phone number to verify your Gmail account. These two steps solve the issue for many users, and they're the safest place to start before trying anything more complicated. If this tutorial helped, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more simple fixes like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.